everyone, my name is Thulisa and welcome to the third lesson of creating your own website. In the previous lesson, I showed you how you can use the WordPress dashboard. If you haven't watched the video yet, make sure to check it out. Alright, and now it's time to give your site some personality. So make sure you stick around because I'll help you choose a theme. And I'll show you a couple of settings that you need before you customize your website. Before I forget, make sure you like and subscribe onto our channel so you don't miss out on the next lesson in building your website from scratch. So let's go! Now to choose a template, you head over to your dashboard. Click onto Appearance. When you click onto Appearance, you will see that there are default themes installed. Click on to Add New. Remember, when it comes to themes, there are paid and free versions. Under Popular, you will see all the popular themes that people are using. There are so many themes to choose from. And when you click onto Latest, you'll see all the latest themes added to WordPress. There's so many, you can't even run out of options. And when you click onto Favorites, you'll see all your favorite themes saved right over here. When you click onto Popular again, you'll see thousands of themes that you can select from. The theme that we'll use is Astra. We're going to click Install. Once it's done installing, we're going to click Activate. And from there on, this is where you can customize your theme. So Astra comes with templates, and in order for you to get the templates, head over to Appearance. Click onto Astra Options. It will lead you to this page and then you click Install Importer Plugin. Then it will lead you to this page where you'll see a short YouTube tutorial video on how to get started with the templates. Click on to Build Your Own Website now. And once we are here, we're going to choose Elementor as our page builder. Elementor is beginner friendly and helps beginners to learn design basics since the whole setup is mainly drag and drop. And when you scroll down, you see all the different types of templates to choose from. You can choose from e-commerce templates, portfolio templates, whatever theme you like, you can definitely find from here. When a template has a premium label on it, it means that you will pay for it. When you click onto the templates, it will show you an example of how your website will look like. So let's go back and check out the other templates and see how they look. And it will also give you the same example on how your website will look like. So basically all the templates that are here show you a preview on how your website could look like. And these are all the template options you can get. For example, here's a template for a yoga website, and when you scroll down, you'll see all the different options that you can do to customize your website once you've installed the template. I really like this template because it looks very fun, engaging, and a nice browsing feel to it. So I'm going to install this template. If you want to install this template, you click Skip and Continue. Click on to Continue and click on to Skip and Start. And then when you get to this page, you just fill in WPHub training over here. Add your email address. And then you can choose whether you're a beginner or not. I'm going to say I'm a beginner. And then it will ask you, are you building the site for yourself or your company or a client? I am building this website for myself. Once you're happy with that, click on to Submit and Build My Website. Once you do that, you'll see that it's building your website. This will take a while, so just wait for it until it's done. Once it's done, you'll get to the congratulations page. And to see how your website looks, click on to View Website. Now your front end of your website will look like this. You can obviously customize this template by changing the text, images, or adding videos. Now you no longer have a plain website. This is how the website looked before I added the Astra theme and template. Now when you go over to the back end and click onto the front end, it will look like this. When you click onto the Home tab, this is how your home page looks like. And when you click onto the All Courses tab, this is how the page will look like. I think it's a fun, exciting, and really engaging template. And when you click onto the About tab, this is how the About page will look like. It's gorgeous, right? I really love this. And when you click onto the Contact page, this is what the visitors will see when they come onto the website. You can obviously change the phone number. You can add your email address. You can also add the location where you are based. And if people want to contact you, they can fill in their name, email address, add the subject to the email, their message, and click on to send. And you'll definitely get the message onto your inbox.
And when you click onto your logo icon again, it will lead you to your home page. Now let's delete the pre-installed templates. In order for you to do that, head over to your dashboard, click onto Appearance, and once you get to this page, you click onto Theme Details, click onto Delete on the bottom right corner, click on OK, and you do the same thing for the other pre-installed themes. The reason why we are deleting these themes is because when these default themes need to be updated, it can hurt your site. And you also don't want to be annoyed with update notifications. So rather stick with one theme and focus on that. Astra should be the only theme that you are left with.
Ooh, now we're getting closer to making our site look good. Now let's go through our checklist. Domain check, new template check. Now in our next module, I'll show you how you can customize your WordPress site using Elementor. So make sure you don't miss out in our next module. And if you are watching this at a later time, we do have our full course link in our description box below. So make sure you check that out. So that's it from me. I'll see you next time. Bye.